Hello, everyone, and welcome to PodTalk English. I'm Rose.
And I'm Harry. We're here to help you improve your English and speak confidently every single day.
Today, we're diving into a topic that many learners struggle with: how to speak English confidently.
Yes, confidence is key. You might know all the grammar and vocabulary, but if you hesitate or feel nervous, it affects your fluency.
Exactly. Speaking confidently isn't about perfection. It's about expressing yourself clearly and naturally.
That's right. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they communicate effectively. That's what we should aim for.
So let's start with why learners often lack confidence. One big reason is fear of mistakes. People worry about saying something wrong.
True, and overthinking grammar is another trap. Many learners think, is this tense correct, or did I use the right word? And that stops them from speaking at all.
So the first step is to practice speaking daily, even if it's just to yourself. Read out loud, describe your day, or talk about your favorite topic.
For example, you could say, this morning I woke up at 7, made coffee, and went for a walk. Simple sentences, but they build fluency.
And don't worry about sounding perfect. The goal is to get comfortable with your own voice and sentence flow.
Another important tip is listening. The more you listen to English conversations, podcasts, or shows, the easier it becomes to mimic natural speech.
Absolutely. Mimicking helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. You can even repeat phrases after your favorite podcast hosts.
Let's talk about common mistakes that reduce confidence. First, translating word for word from your native language.
Oh, yes. That often makes sentences sound awkward. For example, someone might say, I have hunger, instead of I'm hungry. Small errors, but they affect clarity.
Another mistake is speaking too fast when nervous. Rushing causes mistakes and shakes your confidence even more.
Right. Slow down. Pauses are powerful. They give your brain a moment to think and make your speech sound natural.
And don't worry about filler words like or you know. Everyone uses them. Over time, they naturally decrease.
A big tip for confidence is preparing phrases for common situations. If you're going to order coffee, practice, can I get a cappuccino, please? Or, I'd like my coffee with milk.
Exactly. Preparation reduces stress. In work or casual